I've been crying over and over. Now I realize that it's never over on this side. Oh, but you, sweet baby, I would never be free from your embrace. Sweet baby, only hoping it's not too late to try again. It's true, sweet baby, everlasting captured by your
Thank you so much for coming, Toron.
baby, I will always be right there by your side, right by your side. Lying alone and dreaming, I must keep wondering. My thoughts are only you, wandering through the memories in my mind. How could love surreal have turned so empty? I just keep wondering why. Will I ever find the love we share together, you and I? Oh, it's you, sweet baby. Though we have so long a road to climb, sweet baby. Only hoping it's not too late to try again. It's you, sweet baby. Won't you try and believe in what I said, sweet baby? I will always be right there by your side, right by your side. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The next rematch, guys, give all you have. Or all you want to give. Did I forget someone? You know what? I feel hungry now. I see a lot of Toron on the comments. Oh my God.
Sweet baby.
Guys, you can shoot for Yosuke na, guys. Toron. Because I'm lami. Oh my God. We learn Bisaya, guys. Lead OMG. Yeah, Mayo, you were throwing earlier. Thank you, Bubbles. Lami. We learned Bisaya already. Go, girls. Thank you, smile. Jeppy, good morning. The last smile. 2 minutes, 20 seconds, guys.
Thank you, Bernice, for the gifts.
I'm looking forward for somebody to gonna have a banana Q name. I didn't forget anything. It's me. I forget to put sugar in my banana Toron. English, please. Angie's your #1 bully, ah. Krisha, thank you. A minute and 50 seconds, guys. Boss Aaron? Go, Freddy.
Thank you, Ali. Thank you.
Hello, Skeleton. You're scary. You're Skeleton. What happened to my music?
Thank you.
Baby Marianne!
Thank you,
God. You took my music away! I'm exaggerating. That, hello!
Exciting na ba?
A minute, guys, please. Support Yosuke. Beat! Yeah, we're beating for Yosuke. If you beat him, you're gonna be a comma. Just kidding. You can request a song that you're gonna perform on April 27. What happened to my... Hold on, guys, hold on.
Internal closing. Internal opening.
Kala mo ikaw lang may technical problem, ha? Beat! Yes, guys, listen to Toron. 11 minutes, 10 seconds. Ali, ulala. 5, 4. Aha! Okay, congratulations, Miss Ali. Alibaba. Congratulations as well, Yosuke. I rejected already. I never, what? I never listened to that. Shoot. My God. Thank you, Yosuke, for joining and participating. See you on April 27. You talk to Ali na, ha?
Okay. Thank you very much.